Part 1. Enter VTO Web by VTO IP address. Click to select display language. For example, French. VTO Web will refresh to take effect. Now the VTO display language is well changed. Part 2. Press Setting. Press for System Info. Press Language. Change the language, for example French. Press to continue. Now the VTH display language is well changed.